boiling eggs. She is boiling the eggs for dinner. She is boiling the eggs for dinner. Tossing salad. He is tossing the salad with dressing. He is tossing the salad with dressing. Mashing avocado. She is mashing the avocado for guacamole. She is mashing the avocado for guacamole. Grating cheese. He is grating the cheese for the pasta. He is grating the cheese for the pasta. Slicing tomatoes. She is slicing the tomatoes for the sandwich. She is slicing the tomatoes for the sandwich. Whisking batter. He is whisking the batter for the cake. He is whisking the batter for the cake. Greasing cookie sheet. She is greasing the cookie sheet with oil. She is greasing the cookie sheet with oil. Draining beans. He is draining the beans into a colander. He is draining the beans into a colander. Sautéing onions. She is sautéing the onions in the pan. She is sautéing the onions in the pan. Roasting chicken. He is roasting the chicken in the oven. He is roasting the chicken in the oven. Basting turkey. She is basting the turkey with its juices. She is basting the turkey with its juices. Stirring sauce. He is stirring the sauce to prevent it from sticking. He is stirring the sauce to prevent it from sticking. Chopping carrots. She is chopping the carrots for the stew. She is chopping the carrots for the stew. Kneading dough. He is kneading the dough for pizza. He is kneading the dough for pizza. Blending ingredients. She is blending the ingredients in the blender. She is blending the ingredients in the blender. Mixing ingredients. She is mixing the ingredients in the bowl. She is mixing the ingredients in the bowl. Measuring flour. She is measuring the flour with a cup. She is measuring the flour with a cup. Cracking eggs. He is cracking the eggs into a bowl. He is cracking the eggs into a bowl. Pouring batter. She is pouring the batter into the pan. She is pouring the batter into the pan. Baking cookies. He is baking the cookies in the oven. He is baking the cookies in the oven. Frosting cake. She is frosting the cake with icing. She is frosting the cake with icing. Tasting soup. He is tasting the soup for seasoning. He is tasting the soup for seasoning. Seasoning fish. He is seasoning the fish with herbs. He is seasoning the fish with herbs. Rolling dough. She is rolling the dough into a circle. She is rolling the dough into a circle. Searing steak. He is searing the steak in the hot pan. He is searing the steak in the hot pan. Freezing leftovers. She is freezing the leftovers for later. She is freezing the leftovers for later. Frying eggs. She is frying the eggs in the skillet. She is frying the eggs in the skillet. Spreading sauce. He is spreading the sauce on the pizza dough. He is spreading the sauce on the pizza dough. Measuring ingredients. She is measuring the ingredients for the cake. She is measuring the ingredients for the cake. Folding napkin. She is folding the napkin neatly. She is folding the napkin neatly. Testing lemon. He is testing the lemon for flavor. He is testing the lemon for flavor. Wrapping sandwich. She is wrapping the sandwich in foil. She is wrapping the sandwich in foil. Microwaving leftovers. He is microwaving the leftovers for lunch. He is microwaving the leftovers for lunch. Tasting soup. She is tasting the soup to see if it's ready. She is tasting the soup to see if it's ready. Flipping burger. He is flipping the burger on the grill. He is flipping the burger on the grill. Brushing dough. She is brushing the dough with butter. She is brushing the dough with butter. Pressing garlic. He is pressing the garlic with a crusher. He is pressing the garlic with a crusher. Marinating chicken. She is marinating the chicken for the barbecue. She is marinating the chicken for the barbecue. Placing tray. She is placing the tray in the oven to bake. He is spreading peanut. She is placing the tray in the oven to bake. Spreading peanut butter. He is spreading peanut butter on the bread. He is spreading peanut butter on the bread.